Hello friends, today we are going to discuss all the numericals of oscillation chapter from NCERT. So these numericals are highly important and highly typical. So we will try to solve this. Let's start with this is the 14.1 question of our NCERT. So let's discuss this. On an average, a human heart is found to beat 75 times in a minute. So on an average a human heart on an average person heart beat 75 times in a minute. Calculated frequency and period. हमें इसकी we have to calculate the frequency and time period of heartbeat of a human heartbeat which is 75 times in a minute. First of all, we should understand what is the meaning of frequency and what is the meaning of period or time period. If we understood what the time period is, then it will not easy for us to understand what the frequency is. So the time period is the time interval after which a certain activity repeat itself. That will be called time period. We will try to understand it with an example of a transverse wave. It is time period is applicable to any activity which is repeat itself, and the time taken by the activity before repetition and completion of a single cycle, that will be called time period. This is our transverse wave. This wave is repeating itself afterward. So the time taken for the wave to complete this cycle, and after which it is getting repeated. So the time taken to complete this cycle, single cycle, will be our time period. So we have understood what the time period is. So any activity which is going to repeat itself, and the time period for that activity and the time taken, so the time taken for that activity is called time period. And now what the by mathematics formula, if we divide the time period 1 upon time period is denoted by t and its unit is second, and 1 upon t, it will be number of oscillations per second. So number of repetitions per second if we divide the time period, and that will be our frequency. So it is clear what the frequency is and what the time period is. Time period is time taken for a wave to complete one cycle. That will be our time period or time taken. So that will be our time period. And we divide, if we divide the time period frequency, and the definition of it will be the number of repetitions in single second, and the unit of frequency will be second inverse or hertz. We can measure it in hertz. So now we have understood what the frequency and what the time period is. Now let's move towards our numerical. So first of all, we will calculate frequency. We denote it by mu. So a human heart, what is the frequency? Frequency is number of repetitions per second. And where what it is given? A human heart beat average 75 times in a minute. So our unit of frequency is in second. First of all, convert this minute in second. 1 minute it will be 60 seconds. So frequency is number of repetitions. How much is the repetition? 75. Number of repetitions, and per second, if we divide the complete time which is 60 seconds, number of repetition per second, and that is our frequency. So we can calculate it. Five upon 4 second inverse, or we can write it 1.25 second inverse. Now we will calculate time period. So what the time period is? Time period is reciprocal of frequency. Time period will be 1 upon mu. And what is our frequency? 1 upon 1.25. If we are going to solve it, we will get 4/5. So here we will add 0, it will be 0.8 second. What it means? It means the time period for one repetition, for one heartbeat, the time taken for a single beat will be 0.8 second, and number of oscillations, number of repetition in single second, that is our frequency, that will be 1.25. मतलब हमारा हार्ट एक बार बीट करने में 0.8 सेकंड लेता है, और एक सेकंड में जितनी बार हमारा हार्ट बीट करता है वो है 1.25 सेकंड. दैट वाज आवर frequency. Thanks. Next time we will do the next numerical.